In today's video, we're going to be tearing down this little video light and seeing what's inside. So these are great for extra lighting and they're quite small and very versatile. We got a mount down here, a cold shoe mount with a little locker. It is magnetic. There's cold shoes all around it. We got USB-C charging buttons here for the controls and a little display. And we do have a diffused front panel. And the model number is VL49 RGB. So to turn it on, I like how it has the mechanical switch. So if we click it on, it comes on and we can see that we are at 6,000 temperature with 5%. So right now we have temperature selected. And if we click these buttons, we can go up and down by tenths. And if we click on this button, we're gonna select the percentage, which is the brightness. And it gets really bright for being pretty small. Now, if we hold this button, it's gonna switch to the RGB lighting and we can control the color here and the degrees. So yeah, it's turning purple now, orange, green, really cool little light. So let's get to taking this thing apart. And I'm gonna use this Fantic screwdriver set, which is pretty awesome. We're gonna use the Phillips bit, and this is electric with a little light. So let's go ahead and get all the little bolts out. All right, that should be all of them, and looks like our front does come apart. So we got a little bezel here, the diffuser, and a little trim piece that's chrome for a reflector. So here we can see all the LEDs, and the way this works is I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, turn the brightness really down. This is 2% here, and hopefully you can see, but yeah, we got a white LED, like a cool one, and then we got a warm one. So depending on the temperature, will be glowing more. And then these lights here is the RGB lights. And we can switch to that and bring down the brightness here. So that's gonna give us all of the different colors. So there are 4 screws holding the LED panel. And actually the bottom piece here just slides out. Well, it looks like it doesn't come out that easy. So there's a couple screws down deep in there that are kind of hard to see, as there's another board down there. So. And that should be all of them. Let's see here. Okay, so it does all come out. And so our buttons there on the case still stay with the case. And here's the whole assembly. So on the back side, we can see this is where our circuit board is. Our 3 buttons there, 4 with the on and off switch, and we can actually still turn it on. That's our USB there with the display. Yeah, it looks like it's not really made to come apart, as it is soldered here together between the two. And we do have a battery that's sandwiched in there. Not the easiest thing to see everything, but you guys can kind of see how everything is put together here. So yeah, pretty interesting. I was quite curious to see what's inside of one of these little guys. And probably the most impressive thing is how well this thing is built and has quite a large battery. And I've been using this light for a long time and really love how compact and portable it is, and helps me with filling light in and making unique scenes with different colors. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little teardown of the Ulanzi VL49 RGB video light. If you are interested in the light itself, I'll leave some links in the description. And also, if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link for the driver also. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.